How to deposit euro to Binance with SEPA Bank. Follow my instructions. If you want to add funds to your Binance account, SEPA Bank Transfer is one of the easiest and cheapest methods. It lets you deposit euros directly from your bank account with low fees. Here's how to do it step by step first. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account, go to Wallet, and then select Deposit, choose Fiat Deposit, and pick EUR as the currency. Next, under Payment Methods, select SEPA Bank Transfer. You'll see Binance's bank account details, including the IBAN and reference code. It's important to copy the reference code exactly, as it links the payment to your account now. Open your online banking app or website. Start a SEPA transfer and enter Binance's IBAN, bank name, and the reference code. Type the amount in euros you want to deposit and confirm the transfer. SEPA deposits usually arrive within 1 to 2 business days, but sometimes faster if your bank supports SEPA Instant. You'll get a notification in Binance once the money is credited to your wallet. And that's it. You've successfully deposited euros to Binance using SEPA transfer. Thanks for watching.